Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The question is number 16, I just translate in here. So now I will help you to answer the question. We have 2x plus 3 over x. So we can put about the power 3 in the both sides. So we need to expand this one. Next, we move this one on the left. So, we see that this one we can do about factorization with number 18. So we know the value in here is about number 6. So we put number 6 in here and here. And we got the final answer. That should be about 1 over 108. So the question in here is wrong. So that's about 108. This is the end. Thank you for watching.